Hello everyone, I think I know why my home-built foam 2.7-meter airplane spiraled down and crashed after I switched from manual to RTL. Have a look at this.
Health. Error compass variance. Heading to waypoint home, altitude is -12, ground speed is 0. Error POS horizon variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error POS horizon variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error compass variance. Error POS horizon variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error compass variance. Error velocity variance. Heading to waypoint home, altitude is -3, ground speed is 0. Error compass variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error POS horizon variance. Error POS horizon variance. Heading to waypoint home, altitude is -21, ground speed is 2. Bad LiDAR health. Error velocity variance. Error POS horizon variance. Error velocity variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error velocity variance. Error POS horizon variance. Error velocity variance. Error POS horizon variance. Heading to waypoint home, altitude is -15, ground speed is 1. Error velocity variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error POS horizon variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error velocity variance. Bad LiDAR health. Error POS horizon variance.